Hello students and welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls. This is Ekta ma'am and today I am taking up a lecture for class 9 students. My subject for today is economics. Students, this is my first lecture which is on the first chapter of your test books, which is the story of village Palampur. In this story, you will get to know about certain production activities, that what is production and what are the factors of production, what is the importance of production. Students, this is a very small story which will give you a brief idea of what is production, what are the activities of production which are held over the countries. With a small source, you will get to know that how in an economy, what are the production activities and how are they taken up or are held in an economy. So quickly let us get started with the video. Okay students, our first chapter is in the form of a story which will help you to understand the concepts related to production activities. In this story we will talk about a village called Palampur. So the main activity in Palampur was farming, but other small scale activities like the manufacturing activities, dairy and the village transport were also carried there. All these activities required natural as well as the man-made resources. There were about 450 families living in this village. The houses in which they lived were big as well as small. Some had an electricity connection and some houses were without any electricity connection in the village Palampur. Some medical facilities were also available there in the village Palampur. So students, all this description made it very clear that Palampur was fairly developed village. Okay students, now moving forward, this story of village Palampur will help you to understand the various types of the production activities. So let us move forward and understand what is production. So children, production is an activity in which a producer produces certain goods and services for his consumers to satisfy them and to earn profits in the market. The main purpose of production is to earn profits by the producers in the markets only. So children, there are major four requirements for the production activities of the goods and services by the producer. So let us talk about each of them individually further in the video. So students, the first requirement is the land and other natural resources like water, forest, minerals, etc. The second requirement for the production activity is the labor, that is, the people who work to earn their living. In this, there are two types of workers. One is the educated workers and the other is the manual workers. The third requirement is the physical capital, that is, the variety of inputs which are used in the production activities. In this, tools, machines, buildings which can be used for many years are known as fixed capital, and raw material like yarn used by a weaver or clay used by a potter are examples of working capital. Now, the last requirement is the human capital. All these three factors are utilized by the human resource only and the production activities takes place. So students, as you have seen this image earlier, you can now understand that the production is only possible when we put all these four factors of production together in an appropriate manner. I hope you are clear with some of the concepts which are discussed in this lecture today. Please do not forget to like and share the video, and do subscribe the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls. Thank you for watching the video.